Hello, students. The fundamentals of calculus, including derivatives, play a very important role in engineering applications. Engineers commonly find problems that cannot be explained via simple algebraic expressions. Instead, they must use experimental data and their knowledge of derivatives to describe complex patterns and consolidate them into predictable and accurate models. When you arrive in class this week, you will see a device that looks like this. You will be using it to measure the rate of change of the length of a shadow that is cast in the middle of the base. Setting up the experiment is very simple. First, attach the arch to the base with the metal side closest to the middle. This should magnetically snap into place. Next, place your slider with the attached flashlight on the arch as so. Ensure that the window of the slider is revealing the angle markings. Finally, place your peg in the central hole with the fins perpendicular to the length markings. This is the object whose shadow length you will be measuring. Notice the tick marks on the arch and the base. The markings on the arch represent incident light angles from 0 to 180 degrees. The markings on the base represent the length in inches. Be sure to notice that the resolution on the base is 1/10 of an inch. This is where you will be measuring the length of the shadow. When you are ready to begin your experiment, turn on the flashlight. We will be using a strong LED flashlight to overcome the ambient light in the classroom. In order to conserve battery life, we ask that you please turn the flashlight off in between measurements. During your experiments, you will be moving the flashlight along the arch to the desired angle. Here we are starting at 90 degrees and moving to the desired angle of 50 degrees. Once at your desired angle, you will measure the corresponding shadow length and record it in your student handouts. In this example, the shadow length is 1.8 inches. You will be using these lengths to determine the shadow's rate of change as the angle of the light changes. Be sure to measure the shadow at its farthest point from the object for consistency.